y'all, what's up? So I am so happy I ordered some Fenty hair products from Rihanna's new line. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm not only going to be reviewing the products, but I'm also going to be demoing them as well and giving you guys my honest review. So make sure you guys stay tuned if you want to see what's in this box and what I ordered from Rihanna's website. Okay, while I talk to you guys, I'm actually just gonna put my hair up in two little buns because I don't want it to dry out. Okay, so now that my hair is up and out the way and it's locking in that moisture, I can go ahead and talk to you guys about what's in this box. So like I said, I went ahead and ordered some Fenty hair products from Rihanna's website. This is how it came. I think the packaging is so cute. So if you do order any products, this is how they will most likely come. So here's what I ordered, y'all. I got the Fenty hair. This is the Home Curl. It's a curl defining cream. It's 11.5 fluid ounces. So that is a pretty standard. It's kind of heavy, and we'll get into the labeling, the packaging, and all that in 1 second. I just want to show you guys how the product actually looks. And the other product that I purchased is called the Controlling Type. Now this is how it comes in its package. But let's go ahead and take this out. I think the packaging is so cute, y'all. So here is how it looks in all its glory. And I did order one more product, or a hair tool I should say. I went ahead and got the Fenty hair. This is the side stick. Okay, the side stick. This is a 3-in-1 edge control styling tool. I think that's so pretty. I like how it's just enhanced, like it has like its gold little tip down here. You have the traditional brush and comb up here. However, there is a little indent. I guess that's like a groove for your fingers when you're holding it, or more so like a grip for your fingers when you're holding it. And it does have the Fenty hair logo or indent in there, if you guys can see that as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so there's like a little cover, so I think I have to unscrew it. Y'all, why didn't I go in and read any set of direction or anything? But yeah, there is a little cover on here, so I'm going to take this off. Ooh, that smells really good. It's more of like a floral fragrance, definitely. Has like a bit of like shea butter in there too. Wow, I'm smelling like hints of butter and floral. It has a very, very, very good scent. Let's go ahead and test out the consistency of the product. Wow, okay. It has like a little ooze. We love a little ooze. If you guys watch my videos, I love oozy products. They just work the best in my hair. So it does have a little bit of an oozy consistency, but it's still on the thick side as well. So that is interesting. So far, so good. And here is the edge control. Trying to open it. Okay, so the edge control also has like this little protectant on it, so you have to unscrew it the first time you guys use it and take off this like little plastic piece. Comes right off. Okay, it doesn't have much of a scent, but that is okay. And we will play around with this texture with the consistency in 1 second. I don't want to touch it just yet because we are going to be using this in the video. So once I actually use it, just because edge control gel can be quite sticky and I don't want to use it until we have to. All right, so those are the two products that I purchased, and now I'm ready to go ahead and style my hair. I am going to be doing some flat twists today, so I'm really excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and take my hair out. I think I have to determine where I want my part at. So I do have here with me a parting comb. You can get these right off of Amazon. I will make sure I have some tag below for you guys. Let's go ahead and do it on this side. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I broke my hair down into 4 sections. It's just a lot easier if you break your hair down in sections, especially if your hair is thick like mine. Working in smaller sections means more precision. On another note, you guys don't really have to be worried about the parting too much. I am just going to allow this hairstyle to dry overnight and then take it out the next day, so I don't care about the parting at all. What I'm going to do is go ahead and separate out my first section of hair. Okay, so this is going to be my first flat twist. What I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the home curl. Again, this is a curl defining cream from Fenty Hair, and it smells really good. It smells really good. I'm just going to go ahead and take some on my hand. I'm going to start with a little bit. It's just a small section, so I'm not thinking I need that much. I'm going to go ahead and work this product. Ooh, I love how smooth it is. It feels like it's very, I don't know, luxurious. Like it has a luxurious feel to it. I like that. So I'm just going to work that product into my hair. I really like the smell, y'all. Like, I'm being 100% honest. No need to be biased. No need to lie. This review, I paid for it with my own money, so you know I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more. I just wanted to start out with a little bit, see how my hair feels, and then we'll add a little bit more. So far so good. It looks hydrated after adding in the cream. And now all I'm gonna do is take my detangling brush and go ahead and just make sure my hair is ready to go. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and start my flat twist, taking 2 strands and wrapping one over the other. And then as I go down, I'm just going to continue to grab hair. Alright, so I actually like the second one a lot better than the first one. So I'm going to take the first one out and redo it and twist it in the opposite direction. Alright, so I got 2 in so far. So far, so good. I am really happy with how the flat twists are turning out. And I think the consistency of the product is really good too. Alright, so you guys can see I'm just going down again. As I go down, I'm kind of just grabbing a little bit more hair, swooping that into the hair that I'm already crossing over, and continuing to go down. I guess you guys can comment below if you want like a flat twist dedicated video. You just kind of have to grab hair as you're continuing to go down. I think that the secret is just make sure you're keeping it tight. Like, don't loosen up your grip at all. And that's how it stays like uniform. And then I just keep going down till I can't grab any more hair, and then it just becomes like a regular twist. The reason that I prefer flat twists over regular twists is because when you take it out, your hair is gonna be a lot more curlier than a regular twist. And you guys will see that in a second after this dries. For me, it's going to be all night long. I am going to sleep in this hairstyle and then come back the next day and take it out. Okay, so here's how we're looking with 3 in so far. So good. I'm actually really happy. And we're getting through this quite fast. It's only been about maybe going on about 15 minutes now. You guys can see how much moisture it's actually bringing back. My curls are starting to get dry, but this curl cream is bringing a lot of moisture back into my hair, which I am seeing and I do like. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to curl this down. And because I am in the back of my head now, I can no longer see, so I am solely going off of feel. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and take out the very last one on the side. We are now in the back, friend. I don't know what we looking like back there, but that is how we're looking. So like we've been doing, go ahead and take the product, just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over our back section. Now y'all, my camera is overheating, so we're just gonna go until camera kind of overheats. I don't know if I was untangling or detangling every section, but definitely want to make sure you detangle because it's a lot easier to put the flat twist in if the hair is detangled. It's a lot easier to do anything, okay, if your hair is detangled. So we are good to go. Just look how beautiful and soft my hair looks, y'all. That is so pretty. It's very, very, very soft. So let me go ahead and do this last one. Hey y'all. All right, so I am back and I'm done my hair. I'm sorry my camera died when I was on my last one. I just went ahead and did this side off camera because it was the exact same thing. But to show you guys how much product I do have left, there is a ton here. I went in with a boatload of product and I still have a lot left, so I'm really impressed with that. Overall, I'm so happy with how the product applied to my hair, how shiny it is, how it just looks really nice, and after it dries, I think it's going to turn out really nice as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned to stick around to see how these curls turn out and if they are as always Aaliyah approved. And yeah, y'all, so I will catch you guys tomorrow once these are fully dry. I'll have everything I used in the comments below if you guys also want to check it out as well. Don't forget to go ahead and give me a follow, friend. If you like natural hair just as much as me, you guys can follow me. And I'll also drop some resources in the description of my ebook, my one-on-one consultations, and so much more. All right, y'all, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, y'all. All right, so it's the next day and I'm back and my hair is fully dry. I'm not home. As you guys can see, the background is a bit different, but we do have our products here. And the first thing that I want to do is talk about how it dried overnight. All I did was put a bonnet on and allow it to dry. In the morning time, I woke up and I took the bonnet off to allow it to finish air drying, and now they're fully dry, y'all. So this is how we are looking. I think they still smell good. They're shiny. I like my ends. I think everything looks really good. So before I start taking these down, what I want to do is use the controlling type. Again, this is our hair thickening edge control gel. So I am going to go ahead and style my edges first before we start to take down my twists. So my edges are drying as we're taking them down. Have you guys take a look? So this is what the product looks like. Seems like it is super thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some on my hands and feel the consistency. Okay, it feels very much so like a typical edge control gel. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. It has like a lighter fragrance of this scent. So let's go ahead and just start to apply it onto my edges. I'm not gonna do too much, but I do wanna just go ahead and lather some on there. I'm surprised with that small amount that I was able to get all the way down to the other side of my ear. Wow. So there it is applied without any maneuvering from the tool, but we are going to go ahead with the brush side and start to brush the edges. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Do you guys see that? That is nice. Okay, I do like that. Oh, okay, wow. I actually really do like that. All right, y'all, so here is how the edges are looking. I think they look so good. I'm gonna take it a step farther and lay them down. Okay, so that is as good as it's gonna get. Again, this was the controlling type along with her edge control tool. I really liked it so far. I'm gonna wait until they fully dry and take off my scarf and then we'll see how it's looking. But so far so good. So now it's time to get into the good stuff, and we're actually gonna be taking our flat twist out on camera. I don't have any oil on deck, y'all, so usually this is the part where you would like oil your fingers, but we're gonna skip that step since I don't have any oil. Okay, so the shaft right here in the back is normally really easy to untwist. You kind of just start in the middle or so and then untwist them and then continue to work your way up just like so. And then I'm gonna start to feel where it naturally wants to start to pull at. And that's why I really like twists, because it creates its own curl as you're taking them down. Damn, y'all, my light just died. Y'all have no idea what I just went through to get this light to come back on. But let's just keep moving, okay? Influencer down, baby. Influencer down, but we back. We got the light back on. Here we are in the back. I just took out the first one. Let me show you guys that again. So like I said, I just like to start by untwisting it. Just like that. And then I work my way up. Once I get to the actual scalp, you can see where you want to naturally start to pull them at. So where I see it twisting in at, that's where I naturally want to start to pull it apart. And I like that it creates its own separate curl. It's not like regular twist. Okay, y'all, let's talk about the volume that we're getting. There are 2 left. We still have some to take out, but we're getting massive volume. So it's so easy to pull apart, just kind of where it naturally wants to separate. That's where I'm gently pulling at. And I love that because now it creates its own individual curl. And that's how you get that full fluffy look. If you want more volume, I would recommend doing flat twists. And also you get good definition as well. If you want an easier low manipulation hairstyle, then you can just go for a regular twist out. But if you want something that's like curly, defined, lots of volume, lots of shine, then do the flat twist, friend. Do the flat twist. Okay, I am so happy. We have one left. Child can't even get to it. I got so much hair. Okay, so here's the last one. This one looks a little wonky, y'all. You see how it's like thick at the top and then like thin at the bottom? Most of my heat damage was in the front of my head, and to believe it or not, me and my hairstylist are still working through it after so many years. Heat damage is no joke. So if you are somebody who has heat damage, I will tag some videos below where I talk about my journey with heat damage and how I was able to overcome it, because my hair is relatively back to healthy, but in the front we still have a little bit of a ways to go. Okay, so I'm right in the front. As you guys can see, here is another curl, gently pulling through. It's kind of easier to do it from the back, from the back. You guys can see all the hairs that just want to be released. Release them gently because you are now on your edge. But you see how gently I'm just twisting, feeling, and going. And as you continue to do this style, you'll just get better and better at it. I started my natural hair journey in 2014, and now we are in 2024, so we're definitely 10 years in, and I was able to reverse my hair from heat damage to healthy, and you can certainly do it too. I would just recommend following me so you guys can start getting results, baby. Results. Okay, now we're not done yet. We just did a little something. We're not done just yet. Okay, Rihanna, you did a very good job with this. I haven't taken out the other side yet, haven't looked at my edges just yet, but so far for the home curl, I like this so far. I like this product. I like how much volume I just got. All right, let me stop talking. I'm going to take down the other side and we'll keep going. Hey y'all. All right, so I'm back and this is how we are looking. All the hair is finally taken down. As you guys can see, I might need to I'm going to separate a little bit more up here, but other than that, that's the back. Hopefully it looks good. You tell me, friend. And this is the front. I think it looks really, really good. All right, let's go ahead and take off this scarf because I am super hot. Whew. Guys, like, where's the edges? Girl, the edges is right here. Wow, okay. I think they need like a little bit of a touch up, only because I'm sweating. I like my hair. I like the volume. I like all the definition I got. I think it looks really, really cute. I can't stop looking at it. I really do like the home curl. I would give this product like a 9 out of 10. It was that good, y'all. And it is As Always Aleia approved. And I also did like the controlling type. I think if I was just in a better setting and I had more light in an actual like good mirror, then I will be able to sculpt my edges a little bit better. But nevertheless, we got it done. So I would probably give this like maybe like a 6 out of 10. But so far these products were really, really good. I would definitely encourage you guys to try them out. So if you guys did like this hairstyle with my flat twist and you want to see me do more hairstyles, then I would recommend you watch this video next. I'm going to talk to you guys how I do a roller set in my hair, so don't miss out and click on this video. All right, y'all, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. If I